guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle blogger. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I want to share with you an easy DIY overnight treatment I do. This treatment helps prevent hair loss. It promotes new hair growth. It also helps with the shine and manageability of my hair and just makes it feel amazing. So if you guys want to see the ingredients and the steps that I take, then keep on watching. I try DIYs for pretty much everything, but especially for hair treatment. I find that my hair looks the best if I incorporate at least one DIY hair treatment to it. And most recently, you guys, I have been experimenting with rice water. Rice water has so many amazing benefits for your hair. The main one being that it helps it grow. I do like to keep the treatment on my scalp and not so much in my hair. Sometimes I find that those two essential oils in particular, even though they are the best for promoting hair growth, they do tend to dry out my hair, especially because it's color treated. So I like to keep it away from, my ends, which are drier. So the first thing that I do is I part my hair. I'm just gonna use the back of this brush, and it's optional. You don't have to do this, but I like to part it because that way I feel like I'm doing a better job at getting my whole scalp treated. And then I like to take my detangling brush and make sure I don't have any knots on my hair. The reason that I love this DIY and why I don't mind doing it before bed is because it doesn't smell. It actually smells good because of the essential oils that I add. And I can also do it a little earlier so my head is not wet when I go to bed. Also just leave it for an hour and then wash, but I like to do it overnight so that I can get the maximum benefits. And just to show you that right now it's not like the best lighting, you guys, because the kids are in bed and I didn't want to be bringing a bunch of lighting here. It gets really loud. But I don't know if you can see my roots already are coming in. It's been 2 weeks since I got my hair dyed. Unbelievable how fast my hair grows when I do these DIY routines. So that's why I always bring them back, you guys, and that's why my blog is filled with them. So if you guys are ever looking for any DIY treatments, go find them on my blog. What I do is take my solution, is in here, and I'm just gonna spray, make sure that I get it in my scalp. Little massage. See, it smells really good. You can always add more hydrating ingredients as well. You can get really creative with this combination, but this one is all about making your hair grow fast, strong, healthy. It's the best. half of my head is already treated. Something that I like to do is to make sure that I'm massaging my scalp. This is gonna help bring blood to the area, help with the circulation. Another tip is to put your head upside down, so like how you do to get volume. You can always do that and keep your head down like this for as long as you can, like a minute at the most. This again will bring blood up to your scalp, and that's what's gonna help you guys. That's how you bring nutrients to areas. It's optional, you guys, but I like to treat the rest of the hair as well. Drops of the rose hip seed oil and a few drops of the black seed oil. Put this in the ends, just in the ends, and this is just to give the hair some hydration, the rest of the hair some hydration, and it prevents breakage as well, and shine, and all of that is in there. And now I'm gonna brush it all the way. Just tuck a pin in there. It's nice and loose and comfortable. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. If your hair feels really wet, you can always put a towel on your pillow or wrap your hair on with a towel or microfiber cloth to avoid friction on your hair. If you're just gonna be out around your house, you can always just put on a shower cap. And if you don't want to leave this treatment on overnight, but you still want to get the most benefit, do apply some heat to your hair, whether it's with a blow dryer. You can put your towel in the dryer for a few minutes and then wrap it on your hair. The heat will help your hair, your scalp and your hair absorb all these oils, and you won't believe the amazing shine and softness that you're going to feel. Another benefit that I find from doing these pre-shampoo treatment, you guys, is that I see a lot less fallout when I'm washing my hair, and my hair doesn't feel dry at all. Guys, I hope that you decide to try this DIY. If you do, please take a before and after picture for me, because I always forget to do that before I start trying new things. And I swear that since I've been doing this pre-wash overnight treatment, my hair hasn't been falling out as much as it actually, very little. Like, I'm gonna show you my brush. I haven't even cleaned it, and like, this is nothing. Like, I'm gonna show you, this is nothing compared to how my hair used to fall out. If you're suffering from that, then you will love this. If you have thin hair and you want to see more volume, you will also love this. Especially the rosemary and ginger oil are amazing for thinning hair. You guys, make sure to subscribe. Tomorrow I'm going to be washing my hair and I'm going to be styling it. I think I'm going to go with curly hair, and I'm going to record the whole thing for you guys, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.